Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Walmart Incorporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name WMT. Well, Walmart is of course extremely famous stock and retailer, and if you look at its action, price and behavior after COVID, it's actually remarkable, complete recovery, also going further in price. And most interesting is the situation that we see last several trading sessions. It's really waving up. Its moving averages are going really up, and today we see this very high white candle. So everyone is asking what's going on, where we're going to go, upwards, downwards, what would be the buying and selling opportunities. So to understand what's going on with Walmart, let's first of all do the technical analysis, but also we need to understand the news behavior. So today action is mainly based on news, but strong technicality is also there, and it will strongly impact the further behavior. So let's do it. Starting from March 16, as for many stocks we start these days, Walmart also of course experienced some decrease due to COVID news, but then strong recovery sequence started and even further. So for Walmart, we see here a very nice and positive recovery trend line that actually lasted until July, and then it started a faster line here. Actually, you can clearly see more acceleration taking place. In that sense, you can distinguish here trend line 1 and trend line 2 for Walmart. And the first one started really like waving, being reconfirmed end of March, and then went huge wave, and again strong reconfirmation beginning of July, then another huge wave, and again reconfirmation at actually 25th 26th of August. And now what we see is very beautiful extreme wave up, then recharging of the wave. So it's a Z-like formation, so recharging of the wave. And then here it's very interesting what happened today. First of all, it's a technical boost because, or let's say technically supported boost, because moving averages 20 and 50 are not just growing up, but they're also growing with acceleration, meaning that the first and second derivatives are positive. So if you look here, and moving average 200 is just following very straight and steady line. By the way, moving averages explanation is given here on the left. So having this with moving averages situation, also Walmart announced that it's launching its new platform Walmart Plus, and this made the price really jump up. Now the question is what's going on further. Well, the news is of course very nice, although it's not a news that immediately gives a profit. So in that sense, the news is positive, it drives price up, but from the fundamental point of view, you need to understand that before the news goes on, because it's just a new option for customers, before they take it, before it validates itself, before it's accepted by customers and it brings some profit, time will pass. And this means that it will not act further as a fuel for the stock price going up. Similarly, if you look for technical situation, the price was actually quite high, and RSI wise it's really in over sold situation, so it creates actually temporarily kind of correction, negative pressure, you can say. Also, if you look at MACD here, it's extremely upwards wave, meaning that after that the correction or at least deceleration should take place. Similarly, you can see previous extreme heights for MACD waves, they always were either with correction or with decline, like it was on the wave in April, or correction like it was in the wave of July. So here we need to see some extra degrading behavior, and because here instead of previous wave where we had very nice and stable top, flat top, we had some correction. Here we have very sharp top here, and we went very strongly to overbought situation, meaning also together with MACD that we will have really severe correction action here. Also, the latest candle here is a candle with big shadows, and actually upward shadow is very big. It might work as a downwards pressure again. So it doesn't mean that immediately we will drop. Still tomorrow we might have something like evening star effect or the shooting star candle. So something either like that, or like completely dark one as well is possible here. but still, or something reddish, but it's not really important here. But what is really important is that mainly what we will observe is a correction behavior. And having said that, we should see actually decline of the price. And then if you're already in position, maybe you can wait to see what will happen tomorrow, and then the first spike, leave it. Otherwise, it's not yet advised to enter here. Really need to confirm the wave. So, and then if we speak about correction of the wave, we need to imaginarily continue moving averages 20 and 50 here, and then most probably moving average 50 will not work as good enough support, although it will work as a volatility, so some slight rebounds might happen in these areas. Also having this small support from previous wave, but general very strong support line here is lying below. It's like a triple supported line, and it coincides in this sense also with moving average 50. So it formed here, also was working as a resist several times, and now it will work as a support line. So here this level is actually a very nice level to make a first buy. If further piercing take place, also possible, before waiting for some positive news, that could be another line of support of defense, and then it will be a very good buy. So these two dark circles will actually indicate the areas where you can enter. And of course, moving average 200 is working as inevitably very strong defense line here. So we will see if trend 2 will be reconfirmed in the first circle, or it will be slightly pierced, and then we see actually bouncing from here upwards. In both cases, now you know how to generally what to expect, what game you can continue here. It's still also, of course, possible that we will have some stronger rebounds at moving average 20, confirming the wave. But looking at the history of the stock, it's not really, let's say, expected. Let's say it's less expected. And even if you play here, let's say, let's put it as an orange circle, still have your funds, mind your funds to average down on the dark circles here. So this is the defense, echeloned defense strategy for Walmart. In general, quite positive stock, of course, and will grow in the longer term. But for short, mid-term, you need to catch the wave, and then now you know how to do it. So having said that, that's it for Walmart. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos explaining new opportunities for another US-based stocks.